Watch a full school report build itself. Pick the type, choose the term, and it's ready to share. No formatting, no late nights. This is your school report screen. Everything is organized into categories: academic, financial, attendance, discipline, staff. Whatever you need to report on, it's already there. The quick generator does the heavy lifting. Want a discipline summary for the term? A pass-fail analysis by class. A year-on-year comparison? Select it, and the report assembles from your live school data. Accurate, because nobody retyped it. Need it every month? Schedule it. The report generates on its own and lands where it should on time without you remembering to run it. And when it's done, you share it with the board, the proprietor, the ministry in the format they expect, straight from the screen. Real reporting without the dread. Turn it on for your school and get your evenings back. AfrikSabify.com